I was doing my van tour video yesterday and I realised I'd actually made quite a big boo-boo when I was rebuilding the kitchen. I don't know if you can see from there, but my kettle base is here and the plug is here, and somehow I've managed to build it into the cabinet. So now I'm going to have to take it apart and see if I can get the cable out because I can't move it. So the cable goes down the back there and I can get to that bit through the sliding door. But the plug side, so I need to figure a way of getting that back through somehow. So I've managed to get all the screws out the side there, move that panel, and the plug's now dropped down behind the water bottle, so I should be able to get it now. I got it. It's out now. It came out through the side door. This is pretty cool as well, so you can wind it up. All back together. I think we should try it out now, make sure the kettle works. Cheers. What a tit. Well, I don't know whether to blame my age or the menopause for that one. I'm definitely going to check where my cables are in the future. Nice cuppa though.